Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are well. So you already read from the title, this video is on derma rollers. Yes, derma roller are also known as micro needling, skin needling and also collagen induction therapy. Yes, I have been using derma roller for more than a year now. So I thought of sharing my experience with you guys and tell you how to use derma roller and what it is. So please watch the video complete so you don't miss any important information, and that's it. Continue with the video. So for those of you guys who are new to derma roller is basically a clinical procedure which is used to treat like acne scars, pigmentation, blemishes, fine lines, wrinkles and chickenpox marks. So mainly earlier it was only used by the doctors, but now because of variations in its needle size, it can also be used by the normal people. I have like two derma roller, one in 1.0 mm and another one is 0.5 mm. Derma roller consists of small needles that are made up of titanium that puncture our skin when we use it on our face in horizontal, vertical and diagonal direction. It just creates small amount of micro injuries on our skin. Basically, it creates like micro injuries or punctures on that area when we roll it down on our skin. So our skin has a natural healing process. When we get a wound on any place on our skin, so it starts healing by itself because our skin produces elastin and collagen to heal that particular wound. Similarly, when we create micro injuries on our face or any part of our skin, it starts healing by itself. With that injury, also our scars start healing, our skin also start healing, so we get like a very smooth and clear skin. So not only people who are facing scars, pigmentation, blemishes use this. People who are not facing any issues also use this. Mainly I have been using when I was facing scars, but now I don't have. Still I use it sometimes just to get like a clear and a glowing skin. So you can also use it, but I won't advise it to people who are suffering from eczema, psoriasis, warts, or having so many active pimples on their face. So you people please don't use this, otherwise that bacteria will spread all over and nobody wants that. So now talking about variations in derma rollers, there are many types of derma roller available in the market, one in 540 needles and one in 192 needles. I'll suggest you to go for that 540 needles. I am also using the 540 needles derma roller, and in the needle size there are also variations, like this one is 1.0 mm and this is in 0.5 mm. There are other variations. 0.25 mm is the smallest and 2.5 mm has the largest needle size. So I'll suggest you to go for 1 mm needle size, as if you will go for smaller needle size, it will give you no effect because it is mainly for delicate areas like your eye, skin or your lips. So it will not give you effect if you are having any deep scars. But if you are having really minute skin issues, then you can use 0.5. And if you are for needle size more than 1 mm, there are chances you will harm yourself because the needle size is really large. It will be really painful for you, and it is only supposed to be used by the doctors. So yes, don't take needle size more than 1 mm, only 1 mm or 0.5 mm. For cleaning, here I am using isopropyl alcohol. If you are not having isopropyl alcohol, you can also use Dettol. Pour the isopropyl alcohol into the glass. Then put the derma roller and make sure that the circular part is completely dipped in the solution. After 10 minutes, clean it with tap water and let it dry. So now talking about how to use it, I'm having this derma roller. I ordered it from Amazon. I'll give you the link in the description box. So before using, please sanitize your derma roller, and one more thing to keep in mind, please don't share it with anybody. And then you have to divide your skin in parts. Like I'll divide my forehead in 3 parts, and I have to move it in 3 directions, one in horizontal, then in vertical, and then in diagonally. Move derma roller 10 times in each directions, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then in horizontal direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then in diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This part is done, then move to this part and repeat this. Be very gentle on your skin. You don't have to do it harshly, otherwise your skin will start bleeding and you don't want that. For doing it on your entire face, it will take around like 15 to 20 minutes, not more than that. And make sure your skin is clean before using derma roller. You haven't applied anything like moisturizer, sunscreen, serum or anything like that. Your face should be clean. If you are using on your cheeks, make sure you pull them so it will work more effectively. Do it on the entire face. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. When you are done, please sanitize the derma roller and put it again in the box so it is again free from all the dust. And so after you are done, please apply vitamin C, vitamin E serum. They are really good and they'll boost the collagen and elastin production, and your skin will heal really fast. And if you're not having vitamin C, vitamin E serum, it's fine. You can use any moisturizer. You can use aloe vera gel, vitamin E capsules, or even oil on your face. The main thing is to moisturize your face after you are done with derma roller. Take around this part of moisturizer, rub it and apply it on your face. Be very gentle. About precautions and result, that please don't share your derma roller with any other person, otherwise their skin diseases can come to you. Another thing is, please don't use harsh chemicals like soaps, face wash, scrubs or sheet mask on your face, otherwise they can react badly. And another thing is, try to use it in the night, not in the daytime, so you are away from the harmful sun's rays. Even if you are going out in the sun, please use sunscreen. And after you have applied derma roller on your face, please apply vitamin E, vitamin C serum, aloe vera gel or a good amount of moisturizer on your face so your skin will start healing faster. And another thing to keep in mind is, if you are using derma roller of size 1 mm, so please don't use it before 10 days, otherwise you are not giving time for your skin to heal. So please give your skin time to heal and use it in every 10 to 15 days, not before that. Now talking about the result, it will take around 3 to 4 uses of derma roller for you to start seeing the result, and 10 to 12 uses of derma roller will give you like a clear glowy skin, and you will of course feel the difference in your skin. I'll guarantee you if you use the derma roller properly. If you want to buy derma roller, I'll provide you the link in the description box below. You can buy it. And that's it for the video guys. We'll meet soon. Until then, bye bye, take care.